Do you find it so frustrating trying to alter commercial patterns? Try and make them fit you, or otherwise you just want to redesign them so that you're wearing something different. Or if you're like me, you love going op shopping, charity shops, to try and find some fabulous 50s or 60s dresses, the larger the better, to make new garments out of them. Hi, I'm Victoria Hanna. I'm an ex-fashion designer and senior pattern cutter from the couture part of fashion. I have no regrets about leaving that life behind. It was exciting, but it was also extremely stressful career. Nowadays, I'm an artist and a surface pattern designer, but my takeaway from fashion is that I love tutoring. And in this class, I'm going to teach you how to make a basic skirt block, called a sloper in the United States, make it out of calico to fit you perfectly. Now, it doesn't matter if you're a skinny or a curvy, it will fit you perfectly. It might take a couple of goes, but I'll teach you how to take your measurements, apply those measurements to your skirt draft from a blank piece of paper, cut it out in calico and sew it. Now, you have to be able to sew, okay? And then from that, you'll be able to create any design imaginable that comes out of your head, anything. Now, you don't need any prior knowledge to do this class. You could be a home sewer, you could be a prospective fashion student, you could be just a complete beginner. I'll give you all the notes you need. You'll have a diagram, you'll have a list of equipment supplies of which you'll find in your local craft store. You'll have video lessons as well. But once you find out what pattern cutting can do for your wardrobe and the clothes that you can make, you will be so happy. And you know, once you start wearing clothes that you feel comfortable and that fit you perfectly, and you know you look good in them, you exude a confidence that no one can dent. I'll see you in class, okay?